Hey everyone, Darrell here from the Central Oregon Daily Weather Center with a quick look at your most reliable forecast. And through the next couple of days, we have an active weather pattern that's still in place, but we are in a break between systems right now. When we go ahead and look at satellite and radar, we see that those clouds have started to thin out in the lower elevations, still have some snow through the Cascades. And so for the rest of this evening, a little bit more mountain snow expected, and then we start to see that break between systems, that clearing between systems, because our next one is well out over the Pacific Ocean. And you can see that low just south of the Aleutian Islands in the Gulf of Alaska, and we have a warm front and a cold front. Both are going to be impacting Central Oregon, but right here, right now, we still have reduced visibility in the Cascades, some snow falling, but look at those images from the lower elevations. That clearing has started and temperatures are still sitting in the 40s with some 30s on the map. That puts us between 2 and 11 degrees warmer than we were just 24 hours ago. But let's go ahead and look at that forecast model, because it shows our next system out over the Pacific, still some snow through the Cascades. We will be getting clearing tonight by 11 o'clock, still some flurries that are fizzling out in the highest elevations, and then in and out clouds through the rest of the night. By Tuesday, we go from partly cloudy to mostly cloudy, increasing clouds in advance of our warm front, and that warm front starts to bring snow to the Cascades at 5 p.m. That's going to bring scattered precipitation becoming widespread, and it's going to be a wintry mix through the rest of Tuesday night, and then that cold front quickly follows with even more mountain snow expected and rain and snow showers in our lower elevations. Again, not much in the way of totals, and by Thursday, we really start to clear out, and then another system starts to come in as we're going into the weekend. So between now and 11 p.m., you can expect a trace to nothing for some, and then up to 2 inches possible in parts of our Tri-County area. With most of the snow, we're talking 8 to 12 inches through the Cascades. Now, when it comes to winds, through tonight, just a light breeze is expected, becoming a gentle breeze at times. Through Tuesday, still a light breeze. By Wednesday, winds are getting breezy and then gusty at times. That's when our cold front is pushing through. So for tonight, 20s, few 30s and teens. Through Tuesday, we're looking at 40s. Now, a few 30s and 50s are going to be possible. All depends on when that increase in clouds really takes shape. The more sunshine we have during our warming, the warmer we're going to get. But either way, that is still close to average for this time of the year. And we stay in that seasonal range through Thursday, even with our next system mostly bringing mountain snow and scattered precipitation. By Friday, we're in the 50s with a break between systems that lasts between Thursday and Saturday evening. By Saturday night, this next one starts to roll in, but we're still topping out in the 50s, still above average for this time of the year. So that's the latest in weather. Join us in just a few minutes on Central Oregon Daily News for your full, most reliable forecast and the latest headlines and news. We'll see you then.